Hi, welcome to my Health Hub. I'm Roxana, nice to meet you. Today's video is about my experience during my third day from the 10 days advanced detox challenge. What can I say? To be honest, I didn't thought that I will make it until now because I have been having fluids for the past 3 days. But it seems that I made it and I'm totally happy about this and proud about me, my achievement, and excited about the next steps. Just to briefly summarize how yesterday went, I can only say these 3 aspects. I was very energetic, I had lots of clarity in my thinking, I had to do something from faculty and things went very smooth, and also my blood sugar levels were on the spot, which for me was brilliant. Okay, when it comes to sport activities, which is also another way to sustain the detoxification natural process of your body, I can say that in these past 3 days, due to the fact that I have eaten just fluids, I kind of deviated from the regular sports activities, so I went a bit light in the sense that I did just some long walk or going to the groceries in a fast pace, coming back at home and climbing the stairs, so things like this. And I can say that I felt great. I didn't feel dizzy, I didn't feel tired, I felt always very fresh in general. This is the perfect word. So that was great. Yeah, so about today I can say that my sugar levels still brilliant. Also I can see that I did lots of progress with the issue I had with the water retention, because my body managed to flush outside the excess of the water, which was great. Yeah, and I had the opportunity to take a procedure using a drainage suit from friend. She has this beauty salon, and I really love this procedure because not only that it helps you with the detoxification process, but also it helps you with the water retention issue, and overall, for me at least, it's a very relaxing session because you're basically taking an air pressure massage. Yeah, and when you finish the procedure, the session, your legs, you feel them so light. It's like they're walking by themselves. The feeling is great. And the best part is that I can do some reading while doing my session. Yes, as you have seen already that in the intro. So I totally recommend to you, if you have the opportunity to take this procedure, do it. It's like so healthy, has so many benefits, and you would really give your body this healthy pampering that, trust me, your body needs it, you need it. Okay, so overall, in a generic note, I can say that I'm very surprised about my vitality, about my clarity in thinking, and about the fact that I feel fresh all the time. Yeah, I'm very grateful about that. And I would like to hear, what are you grateful for right now when you're watching this video? I would really like to hear what are you grateful for below the comment. So please, I invite you to give me your thought. What are you grateful for right now? Most definitely we all have something to be grateful, yes. It's good to be grateful. When we are grateful, good things happen to us always. Yeah. So I'm happy I did it. So let's say the hardest part from my 10 days detox challenge, from my point of view, is done. and looking forward to see how things will go from tomorrow, because my meal plan will be a bit different, but still highly nourishing, and the nutrients most definitely will keep on repairing myself. Yeah. So if you are curious about what are the recipes for my meal plan for this period, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment with your email address, and I promise you that I will send to you in the PDF format this plan as soon as I am done with my journey, okay? So, very excited about next steps. See you in my next video. Bye!